This is just a quick video to show you how to provide feedback to your students while you're grading. To go to the assignments, you'll click on Course Tools and scroll down to Turnitin Assignments in order to get to your list of papers that you're looking to grade. As a TA, we're only going to be grading the revised assignments. So we click on the revision in order to get us to our assignment inbox. From here, we'll see a list of all the students that have submitted. Because we are having all the students that meet on one day submit their assignments, we will be having the students title their assignments based on their section number. That will allow us to click on the title column header here in order to group everything based on section, which should make it easier to grade just your students instead of having to scroll through all of the students that submitted their assignments that were due on Monday. So to grade, what you will notice in an ungraded paper will be that there will be a blue pencil here. Right now we see a number 58 because this has already had a grade provided, but any papers that need grading will still have a pencil there. So to grade it, you simply click on the pencil and it will open the student's assignment in order for you to provide feedback. This Feedback Studio is a new version of the interface that you may notice if you've used Turnitin before. This interface seems to be much more user-friendly. I like it, so the instructions that I provide in the videos will be based on this Feedback Studio interface. To provide comments, you're going to click on this square that has the check mark in it. This allows you to see some of your quick marks. And if there's common things that you find that you're writing in your student's paper, then you can actually create your own. I can show you a video of how to do that if you desire. I'll make a separate video for that. For now, we'll stick to the format quick marks. So if there's something we need to make a comment on, these are some pretty common ones. If somebody needs to delete a word, you simply click on whatever quick mark you want and drag and drop it onto the assignment. If you want to write specific comments, you can just click anywhere on the assignment and click the speech bubble and type a comment here. If you wish to associate one of the criterion from the rubric to that comment, you'll notice that there's 3 different organizations here. That's because they're referring to 3 different aspects of organization that you can find in the detailed rubric. Let's say I know the first one has to do with tense, and perhaps this area was in the wrong tense. You can then select the first one since it's referring to the tense and say this is in the wrong tense. Provide some feedback. If you decide you don't want that, you just simply hit the little trash can in order to delete it. If you want to type simple text anywhere, you click on the T and it will give you a floating comment anywhere on the document. And if you hover over it, you have the option to delete it. So that is some information as far as how to provide feedback on the writing that your students do. Hopefully these quick marks may make some things easy, and the clicking and writing comments will make things much easier for you as well. The one thing I just am showing you now is you can click and select the quick marks logo in order to have the quick marks show up right next to where your cursor happens to be pointing. So that's another option for you as well. It's pretty easy and convenient.